One, two, one, two. Wow. Do you see everybody just silent? Silent, silent over the death of the president of Iran. Something is wrong. And that's why they're silent. Something is wrong. Look, these helicopters went to Azerbaijan, and on their way back, two of them are bodyguards. Escorting the president. Is they on the back of the president? Are they in the front of the president? Are they on the side of the president helicopter? And it's all cloudy. You know, cloudy? They can see. So do they have the transponder on? Or they don't have a transponder? What do you think? Because if you go into the cloud and you see it's too cloudy, all you should do is turn around. But guess what? They didn't turn around and they could not see where they're going. But think about it. The two bodyguard helicopter escaped the cloud except the president helicopter. Huh? Except the president helicopter could not escape the cloud. And all the officials was on the helicopter of the president. All the officials. If you don't think something wrong with that scene, I can't help you. Because a lot of people cannot think anymore. They can't. Because if the helicopter, the bodyguard supposed to protect the president, right and left are front and forward, and they escape the cloud, and the president helicopter could not see the cloud, and they all died. They all died from the cloud. What do you think? You gotta be a bloody fool if you think they just all die from the cloud. Because the two bodyguard helicopter escaped. Huh? Look. If all the helicopter go down from the cloud, you will know that's the cloud causing all to go down. Something is wrong. And if you are watching my show, you see I speak about that in the past month. That some world leader is going to go down. Because I saw the big fire. Look it up. Something is wrong. See all the cloud I can see. So none of the helicopters should escape the cloud. Or the fire, as you call it. If you ever been in fag, as me a sailor, I've been in fag, and all the sailors got to be looking out. And we have to reduce speed. If we was going 10 knots an hour, we start to do 5 knots an hour. Or just go slow down to 2 knots. I'm barely moving. Cause too many clouds. We can't see. So the problem is that somebody tampered with that aircraft, that helicopter. Somebody tampered with it. Because it leave Iran and go to Azerbaijan. So did they take fluid from there, or did they service the plane, the aircraft? I'm saying aircraft, most of it. The helicopter, did they service it? Because leaving from Iran to Azerbaijan, I think that's a long way. On their way back, that's when they run into the problem of the cloud or the fag. Bad weather. But the thing is, the two-body God helicopter escaped the cloud. Isn't that a bit? If you don't think that is a big, check it out of yourself. That's why I'm saying people cannot think anymore. And the reason why they can't think anymore, because they don't have time. And now, Israel is worried, and the United States is going to be worried too. Why are they worried? If they have nothing to do with it, why do they worry? Hello? Why do they worry if they do not have anything to do with it? You should not worry if you have nothing to do with anything. You should just have sympathy. But they are all silent. And all this warring that is taken out from the ICC to get arrest for these people, they're rebelling against it. The ICC take one out for Russia, they don't rebel, they're happy. But now when the CC take one out for the people into the land of Canaan, it's a confusion now. You see what I'm saying? So something is wrong with these goddamn people that cannot think anymore. So what you gonna do, black man? Hello? What are you going to do? Because we're not doing anything, period. We silent. We silent like a... Whew. No huttering from the black man. Because he's on the way about God and Jesus. That's his way. In the meantime, he have no food to eat. And he have no medicine. And he have no place for his people to live. So he is silent. And his silence is not helping his people. because he steadfast on the man you call God and Jesus. Straight up. He's steadfast on those. In the meantime, his people walking the street crazy, smoking all type of narcotics.
You've been hiding for so long.
So you don't have time for what's going on right now. Straight up.
Been hiding with the Bible.
Are you following me, black man?
History you don't know.
No time for his people. Or no time for what's taking place into the land of Canaan.
What the white man tell you,
But back to the
that's what you know.
helicopter crash
That's what you
from
know.
the Iranian president.
What the white
Look
man
into
tell
that. You gotta look into it, Iranians.
you. Wake up, black man, wake up.
Look into it.
Take your rightful place in the sun. Of today.
Something is wrong because the two bodyguard helicopters escaped the cloud. That's all I'm saying. I'm talking from myself.
Repatriation time has come.
I'm not talking from the news. I'm talking from myself.
Repatriation has come.
Why did the helicopter of the president go down
Bobby said,
and the bodyguard escaped the cloud? And the how was traveling together?
the motherland.
Huh?
We shall meet the kings and queens of our great grandfather.
Give me a comment on what you think about that.
You, my brother.
Respect, black man, respect.